Hello guys, welcome back to my channel where I always show you guys how to trade and cash backs on Boom and Crash. Today we are going to cash backs on Boom 500 and I'm going to show you guys how to do that. We just get our first spike, but never to worry, we're going to cash more spikes. So guys, quickly before we get started, the first thing you have to do is you have to click on your indicator. Then you click on Bollinger Bands. Here you click on Bollinger Bands. And when it opens, you see how the setting is. Just leave everything like that. I don't really have time, so just leave everything like that as it is. Then you go to your indicator again. Click on Ichimoku Kingo. Okay. Okay. Just leave the setting the way it is. Just leave your settings like that, and you're done. Then you go back to your indicator. You click on Bears Power. Click on Bears Power, and you can change it to 10 the way I just did right now. Just follow the steps. Okay, then you go to your relative strength index. You go back to the indicator, you click it, then you go to relative strength index. Okay, relative strength index, you leave everything as it is. Then you come to apply to open, like it's on close right now. So all you have to do is you apply it to open, and when that is done, we are good to go. While we are applying all these things, all these indicators, is for it to help us understand where the market is actually going, or how the market has been going for some time now, how it's reacting. So it helps us understand and find where we are expecting to catch our spikes. So first thing I'm going to do right now is I'm going to draw a trend line on where I'm expecting to catch these spikes, because definitely we must catch spikes. That is how we make money. So I'm putting my trend line there. Like I always said, you have to really understand the use of resistance and support. If you don't really understand resistance and support, you can join our Telegram group and we will share more knowledge on that and teach you how to use the support and resistance. Okay, so now we've placed our trend line, which serves as the support and resistance, and in between the support and resistance we are expecting to catch a spike there, because that is where we are definitely going to catch spikes. From all the strategy and everything, we've realized that we are going to catch a spike at this point. So right now I'm looking for my entry point, because one thing about trade, you have to be sure of your entry point. You have to be careful on where you are entering the trade, so you won't have to lose more money. So we are looking for our entry, and I think that should be there. Okay guys, our entry point should be there, because we should be catching a spike from there, and we just enter our trade. Okay, we've placed our trade, and let me tell you guys, before you enter a trade, see I'm using a $1 lot size. But if you don't have much money in your account, you have to reduce your lot size to a smaller lot size, so that you won't lose money before it gets to where you get a spike. Okay, so guys, right now we've entered our trade and we are running at a loss, but never to mind, because we are going to cash spikes, we are going to make money, and we're going to win. We're going to win at the end of the day. So guys, any moments from now we should be expecting a spike, guys, because I'm sure we are catching a spike here. They don't call me the king of spike for nothing. I analyze things and it always comes at 90% sure. Okay guys, you see we just got our first spike, and let's check our we are on profit now guys. We are on profit. But for those of you that maybe don't really like holding trade for a long time, maybe because you're scared something, you can close your trade with the profit you have now, and the profit depends on the loss size you were using. Okay, so we are running with interest right now, and definitely we are gonna catch more spikes. Okay, guys, I would like you guys to use this analysis and strategy because it's been working for me. And if you find it very difficult to understand how I get to understand this and get to realize that I'm going to catch a spike here, you just check under this post. You will see our Telegram group. You join, we will teach you guys the strategies on how to catch spikes on boom and crash. So guys, join our Telegram group and you won't regret it because you're going to learn a lot. Okay, guys, we are still expecting more spike, but I'm gonna close the trade right now. Okay, in case you guys don't know how to do this, I'm gonna show you how to do this. I'm gonna close the trade now with interest. Okay, we just did that. I'm not closing the trade because I'm scared we won't have more spike. We're definitely gonna catch more spike, and I'm gonna show you guys right now that a spike is coming right now. I'm just doing that because I want you guys to understand that you can actually close a trade from there if you want to close. So right now we are still expecting more spike. Okay, you can see we just got another spike. So guys, that's how it is, and by so you make money. That is how you make money on boom and crash. You don't call me the king of crash for nothing. So guys, if you love this video, I would like you to like, share, comment, and turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we drop a video like this, because I won't want you guys to miss out on anything. I want you to make money. I want you to learn on how to make money. And don't forget to join our Telegram group where we teach you, we show you the strategies, the things you need to know to make money in forex. Okay guys, this strategy has been working a lot and I want you guys to use it. Thanks guys for watching. God bless you all. Thank you.